everybody. This is Friday. Can you believe we finally made it to Friday? Oh my gosh, it's been a fast week, but it's been a slow week. So this is Friday, October the 20th. And I have given up. I am going to go on Amazon and look at selfie sticks and get one, because I just made a sweep of my house and I still cannot find it. So I'd love to have a gimbal, but they are really expensive. The good ones are. So I'm gonna get me a new selfie stick. So hopefully I will get it next week, and then I can start making some better videos. I do have an unboxing for you. You know how I love lights and I love Govee. So I have the Govee string lights. Now my porch, I measured my porch, and I'm not a good measuring person. And I thought it was a 50 foot would work. I don't know. That's if all I did really was kind of go across. I don't know. I'm not a good measuring person, so. But I thought, I hate to get the 50 footer and then have it not be enough. What I want to do is my porch slants like this, my door is like right here and it goes, and I just want to put some string lights kind of back and forth on my front porch. So I went ahead and I got the big, I think it's 96 or 98 foot string lights, because I did not want to not have enough. So these are multicolored, dimmable, shatterproof. They are, it says Govee Lynx Dream LED bulb string lights. And I was kind of confused because on Amazon they have like Halloween string lights and these string lights and these string. I'm like, what is what? What's the difference between these string lights? So I just kept researching and I got some money off. There was kind of a sale on these. So yeah, it says waterproof. It has music mode, countless lighting effects, dimmable, soft lighting, wireless control. It's RG. Let's see. I'm trying to read this. Blah blah blah. Now what's this say? Oh, says a bunch of stuff. I don't know what it says. So I'm going to try to unbox these, even though you're not looking at me unboxing them. Tomorrow is not supposed to be too bad weather-wise. We are going to eat out with some friends at a town tomorrow. So hopefully we'll be back about 1 o'clock or so. And I asked my daughter if she would want to maybe help me put these up. I went on Amazon and I got some string light clips. They're little. I don't have them right here with me. I didn't think about it. But they're little plastic things that look like there's like a little place where you could hook the cord of the light in there. So I thought maybe that would help. And I also went to Walmart today and got some double-sided, some kind of tape, sticky stuff to reinforce it. Now with the Govee permanent lights for your home, which I have not done anything with, they suggest on their sticky lights that you clean the area with alcohol and wipe it and then stick the light up. So that I do have alcohol. I got a bunch of cloths. So I thought maybe that would help us. So this is what it looks like. Kind of looks like a mess, doesn't it? All those cords. Let's see if I can dig out the paperwork. Let's see. This tells you how to sync lights to mirror your TV, movies, music, games, and workouts. Okay. Yeah, whatever. User manual. Okay, let's see what this says. The adapter is not waterproof. Exercise caution when using the adapter outdoors. Well, I don't have really, I have to see how long the cord is from the last light to the big plug, because I don't have a designated outside plug. All I have is my light fixture, the porch light, which I can unscrew that bulb and then screw in this thing that has plugs on either side. That's all I have to make these go. I don't know if that's going to work or not. If that cord was long, I could like snake it down the side of my house, snake it inside, and plug it into the nearest plug, which I would really love to do that, but I don't know how these are that way. So we'll have to see. Waterproof, you can just use it with the app. You get the bulb, string lights, adapter, and control box, manual, and service card. It looks like there's a like a little thing you turn it on and off. Hang bulbs onto it tells you how to hang them onto a rope if you're going to use a rope. It tells you how to pair it with the Govee app. Troubleshooting, 12-month warranty, lifetime technical support. Okay. I guess the lengths are 40 feet. So 48 feet. So I guess I have two 48 feet lengths of lights in here. What's the back have? This some kind of regulation. So I guess this is it. I'd like to see what boy, they're all packed all in here. They're real lightweight. They're kind of like plastic. See? There is this here. Okay, here it is. This is what I want to see. Okay. Let's see if I can. This is looks like the control box they're talking about while pushing it on and off. But of course you could do it with the app. And here's the string and here's the plug. So, I mean, I have an overhang on my porch. It's not like giant overhang. I guess if we had a big storm or something, I wouldn't want this to get wet. But this is the cord length, and I don't want to undo it yet. And if this is the box thing, and let's see. Yeah, there is some give. Maybe, I don't know. We'll have to see. Maybe this one. But you know, this isn't going to, I don't think this is going to be waterproof, is it? The lights are waterproof. But what about this stuff? What if I took like tape, duct tape? I had colored duct tape. I can't find it now, but I can always go to Walmart. And kind of like the color of my house. And taped this and got this in the door and plugged it in. That would be neat. I hope my daughter and I are not going to get into too much that, you know, this is going to be too hard for us. She has back issues. So, of course, I can't shut the box because I took those things out. She's got back issues, and I don't want her to hurt her back. Even if I got on the ladder and she was on the porch directing me, because since my porch it goes down like that, the back lights are going to have to hang longer than the front ones. So I think there's some doing to this. I don't think, she said, oh yeah, it's going to take an hour. I don't think it's going to take an hour. I think it's going to take more than an hour to get going on this stuff. So we shall see. I told her, I said, let's see how full we are tomorrow after our lunch. We may not feel like moving around doing a bunch of stuff. But I bet you it takes a couple hours at least if you want to do it right. And then you got to wipe off every time you're going to stick one of those things up. And then that extra sticky stuff I bought is on a roll, so you're going to have to cut that So I bet it's a little bit more involved than we think. I've never hung up string lights before. I know a lot of people have them, but I've never done that. So hopefully we can do it good. Now Sunday, the weather is supposed to be cooler, but it's not. It's like 60s, which isn't bad. I mean, it's not like we can't do this on Sunday too. Maybe get an earlier start. It does get dark early. So that is my project that I would like to get done. Next weekend looks like it's going to be really chilly. I think Monday and Tuesday we got 2 days in the 80s, and then it goes down in the 50s, and it's 50s from then on. So I hope we can get these up, get these going, and sometimes 2 heads are better than one when it's putting stuff together and doing projects. So hopefully, I'm glad she's here to help me. She moved back here to town a couple years ago, and it's nice to have her here and do things with her and stuff. So, and she can help me do this. So that's what I got going on. And if we get them going and it worked, if I had that selfie stick, I could have shown you guys us putting them up. There's so many things that I could do I can't do without that dumb selfie stick. I don't know where it is. I thought I had it in here. Yes, selfie stick in the bathroom, duh. Because I always used to tape in here, and I thought I just put it on the floor to put it somewhere for now, and then it is completely gone. I don't understand it. I didn't take it anywhere. I don't know. I can't figure it out. Okay, guys, that's what I have, and it's Friday. Yay! I'm gonna get ready for bed. I don't even know what time it is. I took my watch off, but I don't care if it's early or not. I want to get some sleep. I did sleep good for once last night. I don't usually sleep very good at all. So anyway, this was supposed to be an unboxing. I don't need to go off on other subjects. So see you guys. Wish us luck. I hope we can get this done. I hope we can get it where it looks pretty good. And if we do, I will show you the finished product. All right, guys. See you later.